Hi again folks, it's me, back with the iPad tripod stand. Right, today I'm going to solder on the back stand, fit some foam and fit the final mount. So to start soldering we need to make sure the surfaces are clean, so give it a bit of a rub with some wire wool. Both surfaces. I'll fit it to see where it's going. Using some solder flux, I put it on with my finger because I know where it's going then. So put it on that side. This inside there, and we'll tin the surfaces in a minute, but so it's easier to put together. So that will show you where you need to tin. Okay, so we'll tin the surfaces. Start with the difficult bit first. Sure, coming up the edges. Not the neatest in the world, but we can clean that up. Okay, next, the mount. This is off, I used to have a telescope that I took this off and kept it because I hoard everything. But you can get an old camera and just take the fastening off the bottom, cut the fastening off the bottom and use that. The size of it is quarter 20 threads per inch UNC, so you can possibly get a nut still for those. Right, so to put this on, I'm going to put an extra bracket behind, just so that, to strengthen it. So what I'll do is just mark with the drill. Okay, so let's put this in. Okay, so I've trimmed the plate down. Those I drilled were a bit smaller than the screws so that they would thread into the plate. Just gives it a bit more support. It makes it a more substantial stand rather than the bits of plastic that you can buy. I mean, you could buy one if you wanted to save all this trouble, but this will last for years when it's on. So there's the mount done. see if it fits. Okay, I'm going to give it a bit of a sand and a polish before I put the foam in, just to make it look a bit nicer, a bit more presentable. Take some of the solder off that's spilt out, but okay. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick polish. There's loads of different types of waxes you can get. Each wax is a different abrasion. So blue's the fine, green's a bit more abrasive. I'm only going to give it a quick wax, a quick polish. I'm not going to go to town. You can spend hours doing these things. So here goes. Right, just going to give it a polish over with some wax. You get the idea. Because it's old copper, there's lots of scars on it that you you'd end up with no metal left if you carried on rubbing down and polishing, and so best efforts, I guess. But it looks okay. It looks okay. It's not. I'm not selling them or producing them. If I was, it'd all be new sheet, and there wouldn't be any marks on it. So because I'm recycling stuff, I don't mind. It's not going to win any shows, but it's free. And I enjoy doing it. Keeps me busy, keeps me out of trouble, as they say. Keeps you out of trouble. Right, last bit now. Foam. Now, you can buy foam, but a lot of the time, all I use is carpet underlay, laminate underlay. It'll protect it, does the same job, and usually you've got some lying around that, well, I do anyway, because I collect everything. So I'm going to hot glue this in. Don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a try. Okay, final thoughts. If I was to do it again, I'd probably buy one. No, I wouldn't. This is a lot sturdier. It's not plastic. It's not going to break. And even though it's a bit rough around the edges and it was old copper, it looks alright. And it does the job. It's functional. So, thanks for watching. And subscribe and check in next time. I'm going to be doing some modifications to my welder. I'm going to be making a welding trolley. And lots more. I'm always busy. Thanks. Bye all.